The best way to think about virtualization's fit in the digital transformation journey is laid out by a great book called Design for Digital. It's from MIT Press. And Professor Jean Ross and her colleagues, they talk about the 3 phases of digital transformation. Phase 1 is you digitize your assets. So, all the stuff that used to be on paper gets scanned and digitized,
Right.
photos, etc. Phase 2, you digitize your processes. So the way that we do business becomes digitized. But the key phase, that's phase 3, that's where you've achieved digital maturity. This is where virtualization happens, is when you create digital offerings. So that even if you're Ford Motors, you have to develop digital offerings that are compelling and sticky, and in some cases, standalone as a profit center. Virtualization forces everybody to go straight to phase 3. Phase 1 and 2 just are not enough anymore to be competitive.
Right.